My dear technicians, you are welcome to my new video. This is Villaon V211, and my customer brought this phone and complains that the phone is not drawing network, but I can see inside this phone that there is network inside. So let me check the settings first. Let me check if it is on automatic or manual. You can see it is automatic, so let's register it again. You can see it is registered now. So from what I understood about this phone is that my customer, after asking him some questions, I discovered that he's living in a rural area. So, and I've come to check on the phone that the antenna is not lapping well. You can see that it is not lapping well on the phone. So I want to actually fix the antenna so that it can actually it can draw network wherever the phone is taken to, at least to some extent. Because if the antenna is faulty, the phone will not be able to draw a lot of network, because that is a strength. That is the strength of the network. So now let's open the phone and dive in and fix it very easy. Okay, please, my dear technicians, always inspect your phone, your customer's phone, okay, when an issue like this is brought, because when they complain like this, you might be wondering why they are complaining like that. Because looking at this one, it is actually drawing network as the person has come to the city, but in their place there, the phone is not drawing network. So now let's fix the antenna first. You can see, let's fix it with soldering iron. You go this way, you go this way. You can see I'm trying to make sure that the antenna is firmly on the body of the phone, okay, so that I can make contact with the panel. So now I'm going to use our glue. I'm going to use my glue now. I'll apply it on the antenna so that it can hold it to the body, so that it will not remove again, so that the work will be permanent. The only way it can remove, except the person decides to purposely remove it. If not, using this glue on the antenna, it will make it to hold it strongly without removing. Okay, so you can see I'm done applying it. So now I'm going to keep this one. So make sure that it doesn't get into the antenna point. You can see I didn't apply too much on that area, you can see. So now let me keep my glue aside now. So I'm going to keep this cover aside so that it will dry. So now on the antenna point on the PCB here, we are going to apply some lead on it. Okay, so now let me get my soldering iron and my lead. So I'm applying my lead now on the antenna point. Okay, so I'm done applying. You can you see that? So now the panel is dried now. Can you see? It has dried. It has dried. So now let's fix. So before we fix it, let's check the leg. You can see the leg is out, but I want to make sure it is out very well, to the point that it will be able to touch the antenna point on the panel without stress. You can see it is out actually after we are finished fixing it. So now let's straighten the leg so that you can touch the antenna point on the PCB, so that the network will be stable. Okay, so now I'm trying to make it straight. All right, let's make it straight so that it will work perfectly. All right, can you see? Can you see? Please take your time and be careful with it. Be careful, don't undo it too roughly. Okay, can you see? We're adjusting the leg now. We're adjusting the leg. Can you see? I'm trying to make sure that it is straight, so that after coupling the phone, it will work fine. Can you see? Can you see that there's difference between this one and the one before? Can you see? You can see. You can see that there's difference now. So let's couple the phone and let's see how far. Okay, so let me zoom out. Let's fix it now and see how far. So with this now, this phone will be able to generate network for my customer wherever he is living, because he is living in a village area. So let's fix the phone so that he can enjoy his phone again. Okay, so these are some of the little things that you need to take note of as a technician. Okay, Because if you don't pay attention to this, you might be wondering, because when the customer brought the phone, I could see that there was network on it. So I was like wondering. So I then decided to, okay, let me inspect the phone. And there I found it. So you can see that we have done the work. So now let's couple it and then turn it on and see that yes, there is difference in the work. All right. So now I'm coupling it now. I'm almost done. I want to put the screws back again. So with the SIM card. So I really appreciate. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to this point. Thank you for watching to this point. All right, we will soon be done. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel and more videos are coming your way. All right, I will soon be done. I will soon be done. This is Villaon V211. And the fourth was network. The network is not strong. So we are done. So now let's cover it and then power the phone on. Let's power on the phone now. Want to go. You can see the phone is on now. Can you see? Can you see? The phone is on now. Can you see? Before you could see that the network was actually somehow fluctuating, going down and up, but you can see now that it is stable. So thanks for watching. See you again in my next video.